Good morning, students. Now we are going to start our computer class. We will start with the first chapter. Its name is Computer, its classification. Then, what is computer? A computer is an electronic machine that takes instructions from us, that is input, and gives the result after processing them, that is output. Then, the classification of computers. A computer can be classified into two ways. First one is according to purpose and second one according to size. According to purpose, computer can be categorized into three types: analog, digital and hybrid. According to size, the computers are classified into 5 groups: supercomputers, mini-frame computer, server, microcomputer and mobile device. First, we discuss about analog computer. An analog computer takes different inputs and gives an approximate result after comparison. It works on the principle of analogous data. Examples of analog computers are clinical thermometer, voltmeter, speedometer, and scale machine. Then digital computer. A digital computer works on the principle of binary mathematics. In binary, all calculations are represented as 0 and 1. Examples of digital computers are microcomputer, laptop, calculator, etc. Then hybrid computer. Hybrid computers are the combination of both analog and digital computers. A hybrid computer system offers a cost-effective method that is used to perform complex simulations. An example of hybrid computer is the ECG machine used in hospitals to measure the heartbeat of patients. Then we know, according to size, the computers classified into 5 groups: supercomputer, mini-frame computer, server, microcomputer and mobile device. First, supercomputer. Supercomputer is the biggest and most powerful computer. It is a very expensive computer. It can perform large and complex calculative tasks at a very high speed. Second one, mini-frame computer. Mini-frame computers is also a large and powerful computer, but it is less powerful than a supercomputer. It is also an expensive computer. Mini-frame has a capacity to host multiple operating systems. Mini-frame computer was first developed by IBM. Third one, server. Server is the lifeblood of any network. It controls access to the hardware, software, and other resources on a network and provide a centralized storage area for programs, data, and information. Then the fourth one, microcomputer. A microcomputer is often called a personal computer. It is the smallest of all the computers. The most important part of a microcomputer is microprocessor, also called its brain. Desktop computers and notebook computers are the types of microcomputer. Then we discuss about desktop computer. A desktop computer is a computer made for use on a desk in schools, homes and offices. A desktop computer is designed in such a way that the system unit, input devices, output devices, and all other devices fit entirely on a desk or a table. Then, the notebook computer. A notebook computer is also called a laptop. A notebook computer is a small, lightweight computer that you can easily carry from one place to another. A notebook computer has a built-in keyboard, touchpad and display screen. Then the fifth one, mobile device. A mobile device is used to store data permanently on memory inside it or on small storage media such as memory cards. Tablet PC, smartphones, e-book readers, smartwatches, digital cameras and game console are the types of mobile devices. The first one, tablet PC. Tablet PC is a special type of portable computer which has a touch screen. You can use a tablet by touching the screen with your finger or a digital pen. Nowadays, latest tablets resembles smartphones. The only difference is that they are larger than smartphones. Then the second one, smartphones. Smartphone is an internet enabled phone. In addition to basic phone facilities, it allows you to send and receive email message and access the internet, usually for an additional fee. Many smartphones also functions as a media player and include a digital camera so that you can capture an image and share it with others. Third one, ebook reader. An ebook reader is a handheld device that is used primarily for reading ebooks. Ebooks is the electronic version of a printed book. Most ebook readers have a touch screen and a internet enabled. Then fourth one, smartwatch. A smartwatch is a mobile device with a touchscreen display. It can either work on its own or paired with a smartphone. It can show you the time, track your physical activities, and show notifications like messages, emails, calls, and social networks. Then the digital camera. A digital camera is a mobile device that allows users to take picture and store photographed image digitally instead of traditional film. After taking the photograph, you can download a copy of the image from the digital camera to the hard disk of the computer. The last one, game console. A game console is a mobile computing device designed for single player or multiplayer video games. Standard game consoles use a handheld controller as an input device, a television screen as an output device, and hard disks, optical disks, and memory cards for storage.